rich, flavorful soup, a succulent curry pork, and a crunchy, juicy chicken taco made from of all things left over boiled. And if that's not enough, what about burger bun and all made from scratch just for you? But what if all this was made by a Jamaican chef not only knows how to take your favorite and make them even more delicious, but can also take something simple as a breadfruit and turn it into a fancy French flan? And this is just the tip of the ice. Meet Andre Cooks, a true pioneer when it comes to Jamaican cuisine. Andre can fancify any Jamaican dish. Don't me, well, this is a fancy version of bull and pear. I mean, know you think this is a Julie mango, but when you cut it open, boy, you mistake. These are just some of the things that put Andre cut above the rest. And for years I've been watching this man work his magic in the kitchen, making my girl mouth water and wreaking havoc on my relationship. Well, today I'm gonna be trying one of his recipes, and I'm just hoping I don't like it so I can tell my girls if I hand following. This is the story of Andre Cooks, his love and passion for cooking, the science behind some of his most popular dishes, and how Andre Cooks has positioned himself through his many exquisite dishes to becoming one of the top chefs